guys, this is all new Bose S1 Pro system, Bluetooth party speaker. We can call it as mini home theater also. My favorite, one of my favorite speaker, one of the best Bluetooth speaker I have ever seen. The sound quality is amazing. First of all, I will give a 360 degrees view of this. You can see the logo as usually one of the most trusted and most valuable brand in the world. And coming to this side, this is all way 360 degrees we can keep, guys. This is one stand, this is one stand, so everywhere we can keep. This is all the water controls of this speaker. Everything I will clearly explain. First of all, I will show you the 360, and here also we are getting subwoofer type, I think so. This is also standable thing. I will show you how it will stand. This is the one position. This is one position, and this is the standing position. And this one is also rotatable. The logo is also rotatable, guys. Whichever the position we will keep, we can rotate that light. That is the another best thing. And coming to what we call, I will show you. Yeah, guys, coming to the musical creation is the crystal clear, the quality with the Bose S1 Pro system Bluetooth home audio speaker. You can easily carry it around and charge it quickly when required, and it's a quick charging function also there in this. The main thing, you can also pair this device with Bluetooth and also facility is also given. And the main thing is easy to carry with a rugged body. I mean, it is very the body is also built very roughly. It's just 7.1 kg. This system can be easily transferred from wherever we want to. We can keep it in car also, easily movable thing. And another thing, the main thing is the sound quality. The crystal clear, the sound quality is very crystal clear. It comes with a full featured 3-channel mixer. Actually, I will show you clearly. What do you mean by this means? Yeah, you can see, guys, here we are getting 3-channel mixer with reverb EQ controls on 2 channels for an enhanced experience. You can utilize tone match processing for microphone and guitars also. In order to enhance the sound quality, it also comes with dedicated channel for wired 3.5 mm and wireless music sources also. And we can perform it for hours. I think the company is claiming around 11 hours, but easily it can come around 6 to 7 hours. Easily we can manageable. That's the main thing. And Bluetooth speaker, as usual, we are getting Bluetooth. Coming to, I'll clearly show you the everything controls, everything what are there. This is the 3-channel mixer we are getting. One signal, second signal, third signal. These are the controls, and these are the volume controls for each another signals. For example, this is the guitar, this is the mic. So two for their volume controls are here given here. And coming to the third signal is specially dedicated to Bluetooth and aux, you can see. So this is the thing, we can control Bluetooth or aux volumes from here. And this is a service, this is a line out is nothing but we can connect another speaker. And this, guys, coming to the down part, we are getting on off button. This is the fast charging, we can fast charge the speaker. And coming to this side, it is Bluetooth on. Bluetooth on, the thing will be on. As you can see, the light is on, and this is off button. That's it. And coming to here, we are getting 100 to 240 watts. And the thing is here, the wire they are giving, the chart also very quality, and they are giving another aux wire also. And coming to let's turn on the Bluetooth, and I will show you how it works. Yeah, guys, I'm turning on the Bluetooth. Yes, the light is coming. Guys, as you can see, automatically Bose S1 Pro connected. Yeah, that's the thing. And let's I will show you the sound quality, how it is there. This is the on off light functionality they have given another. And let's play the song, how the sound quality is there for you guys. Yeah, I'm playing the song. Guys, this is the sound quality. The one of the best Bluetooth speaker I have ever seen, and I will leave the link in the description. Go and check out it. Thank you, guys.